Snacks. All right, let's see here. Nope. No. Not today. No.
Oh, hey, PS. Taking a snack break?
Yeah, Xbox, but I'm not finding anything good.
Oh, well then you should just use the Snack Division wizard.
Oh yeah, of course, the Snack Division wizard.
It does make some of the most popular snacks in the world.
Awesome. Thanks, Xbox. Yeah, I think I'll have
Whoa. Hold your horses there, cowboy.
Huh?
Remember how we've been borrowing this machine from our neighbor Bobby K?
Yeah?
Well, it turns out he's a terrible person and got into tons of legal trouble, so I decided to buy it off him. That means, technically, from now on, these are all going to be my snacks.
Wait, what? We've shared Snack Division Wizard forever. You can't just claim all these snacks for yourself.
How about this? I'll still let you have some of the snacks, like Ball of Fruity.
Dude, you know how much I love Ball of Fruity. That is my favorite.
Okay, I'll agree to let you eat Ball of Fruity for 10 more weeks.
No way. No, this is crazy. That's enough. I'm reporting you to the landlord.
Whoa, what's all the hullabahoo about? Ah!
Yikes! Switch, are you okay?
Oh, great. He's got Joy-Con drift again. Okay, Switch, for the last time, go redesign your cheap, flimsy, undersized excuses for modern controllers.
I'll just be in my room. Mushroom Kingdom, here we come!
Okay, so let me get this straight. PlayStation, you're arguing that Xbox can't have exclusive snacks even when they make agreements to share some of them, because you've eaten these snacks in the past, and so that apparently gives you the God-given right to keep eating them in perpetuity?
Well, when you put it that way, it does sound kinda dumb.
And Xbox, you keep saying how you're the snackless little guy in last place, but your company has a $1.87 trillion market cap, meaning if no one stepped in and stopped you, you could just buy all the snacks in the world and keep them for yourself.
Yeah, that's pretty darn greedy. Not to mention a lot of empty calories.
And Switch, I don't know when you showed up here, but let's be honest. I don't think you could possibly handle these snacks unless they ran at 2 frames per second and got rid of lighting, shadows, physics, and any polygon with more than 5 sides.
I don't even know what 4K means.
Okay, here's the deal. Xbox, I don't see any compelling reason why you can't buy the Snack Division Wizard, so I'll allow the purchase to go through.
Yes!
But you have to learn to keep living with each other. You're roommates, so be nice. Share your snacks and pay your rent on time, which by the way, I'm raising by $50 a month.
Hey, look, in this economy, I get it. I can't be mad. I just raised my console prices.
I raised my game prices.
I raised the number of Pokemon games I can cram into a fiscal year.
Okay, that's settled then. We are done here, so skedaddle. I got a 230 with apartment 4C. Total weirdo. Always complaining about being tarnished and maidenless. Got their doors replaced with fog and their locks replaced with imp statues.
Sorry I'm late with rent this month. Can I pay you in runes and severed fingers?
Ugh!